How to turn on or turn off keyboard touch vibration feedback on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down. Then in here, tap on General Management. And then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll down and then tap on Swipe, Touch and Feedback. Then tap on Touch Feedback. Next, tap on the vibration toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now when you switch vibration on, every time you tap on a key, your phone will gently provide a vibration feedback. And if you don't like to turn on vibration, we can go in here and switch it off. So we turn off touch vibration feedback, and now you can go ahead and start typing on your keyboard and your phone will not vibrate this time. And so that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off the keyboard touch vibration feedback on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.